Alright guys, we're staying at the Ranchos here at Coronado Springs in building 6A. So let's check out what one of these rooms here in building 6A in the Ranchos looks like. Alright, so it's Coronado Springs and it's got sort of a Mexican theme, as you can see with the three caballeros right there. Got a big window that opens up. So this is a I believe, queen bed room that Disney gave us for this media event here. Now this one is pretty fancy. You got the Keurig with French roast from Joffrey's, tea from Twinnings. You got the ice bucket, the cups. You got to-go cups and regular coffee cups. Down here comes with a mini fridge. Got like a little work. This is a very long and pretty useful work sort of area. Got a chair, wastebasket, TV. You got all these drawers. Just some of the basic. This is a room service menu here. This is a door that leads to another door, so it's kind of pointless. Head into the bathroom here. You got sort of a shirt closet to hang shirts, ironing board. Got an iron in there. Extra pillows up there. Really nice bathroom. This room definitely looks redone. Some hand towels. Just sort of a medicine cabinet. You got some of the, which is cool, is I didn't even realize they started doing this. You get Disney mouthwash, body lotion, shower cap, vanity kit contains cotton pads, cotton swabs, and nail file, some Disney soap, nice sinks. This is a really nice room. I'll show you the view from the bathroom. Really nice room. And we're gonna go into the bathroom. This was the most impressive part to me. I didn't know Disney did this. You got double shower heads. Pretty nice sized bath. Some of the soaps that you cannot steal anymore, folks. Beds, there's the Mickey greeting towel here. Pretty soft beds. There's the Gideon's Bible. A safe underneath here right by your bed. Phone for Coronado Springs. Here's some more lights. Here's some more of the Three Caballeros theme. This is the Ranchos area, so this is pretty much Three Caballeros theme. This is really a really fancy, nice room for a moderate resort. It's very spacious, has everything you need. Wood floors, or probably tile, but wood floors. Great view too. The water is right over there. A lot of rock work, pretty well themed. But yeah, here is the Coronado Springs Ranchos room here in building 6A. I thought this was pretty cool too. If you turn all the lights off at night and you need to get up and go somewhere, you just flip these up and it's a really bright light. Let's see if I can show you. It's a really bright light, so it sort of can, even if you need to look at something on the bed, look for something if you need to get up in the middle of the night and go to the restroom. This is a pretty cool little feature here that they have in both sides of both beds actually. So you just sort of flip that up when you're asleep. It's really, I mean, they really thought of everything in here. This is a great hotel room. So Coronado Springs, definitely an awesome room. Thanks to Disney for providing the room here for the Rise of Resistance media event. And I definitely would recommend, if you're looking for a good moderate resort, checking this out.